बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू हार्वर्ड अकेडमी। इलेक्शन एक्ट 2017 के चैप्टर 3 में से इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो कि पास्ट पेपर्स में भी रिपीट हो चुके हैं उनके हवाले से ये एक समरी है। और हार्वर्ड अकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म से आप हमारा कंप्लीट कोर्स विद लेक्चर्स और हर लेक्चर के एक्सटेंसिव MCQs जो पॉसिबली एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं उनको एनरोल कर सकते हैं। सो लेट अस मूव सेक्शन बाय सेक्शन। ये MCQs हैं और ताकि आप लोगों के कंसेप्ट बिल्डिंग की तरफ अगर आपने जाना है तो फिर आप हमारा कंप्लीट कोर्स जो कि असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर का है वो ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और चैप्टर नंबर 3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन की पहले स्टेटमेंट देख लेते हैं। हु इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिलिमिटिंग टेरिटोरियल constituencies for elections in Pakistan? Option A, Parliament. Option B, Supreme Court. Option C, Election Commission of Pakistan. Option D, Federal Government. आपने अपना right option choose करना है and the right answer is option C, Election Commission of Pakistan. Question number 2. The Commission shall delimit constituencies after every option A, general election. Option B, census officially published. Option C, 5 years. Option D, constitutional amendment. Right option is option C, census officially published. Question number 3. Allocation of seats in the National Assembly is specified in option A, Article 50. Option B, Article 51. Option C, Article 52. Option D, Article 53. Right option is option B, Article 51. Question number 4. Allocation of seats in provincial assemblies is specified in option A, Article 104. Option B, Article 105. Option C, Article 106. Option D, Article 107. And the right option is option C, Article 106. Question number 5. For election to the National Assembly, constituencies of each province are based on option A, population only. Option B, number of general seats allocated in Article 51. Option C, federal government discretion. Option D, Senate representation. Right option is option B, number of general seats allocated in Article 51. Question number 6. The constituency for seats reserved for non-Muslims in the National Assembly is option A, each province separately. Option B, Islamabad only. Option C, the whole country. Option D, divided by zones. Right option is option C, the whole country. Question number 7. Seats reserved for women in provincial assembly are elected from option A, district-wise constituencies. Option B, province as a single constituency. Option C, each division separately. Option D, union council level. Right option is option B, province as a single constituency. Question number 8. For local government elections, delimitation is carried out in accordance with option A, Supreme Court rules. Option B, provincial assemblies. Option C, applicable local government laws. Option D, National Assembly rules. Right option is option C, applicable local government law. Question number 9. Principles of delimitation include all except option A, population distribution. Option B, geographically compact areas. Option C, political party strength. Option D, communication facilities. Right option is option C, political party strength. Question number 10. Variation in population of constituencies shall not ordinarily exceed option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. Right option is option B 10%. Question number 11. Statement: if variation in population exceeds the 10% limit, the Commission must option A cancel constituency, option B record reasons in delimitation order, option C hold new census, option D refer matter to Supreme Court. Right option is option B record reasons in delimitation order. Question number 12. Statement: preliminary report and list of constituencies prepared by Commission is published in option A Parliament records, option B official gazette, option C High Court order, option D Senate proceedings. Right option is option B official gazette. Question number 13. Statement: representations on preliminary delimitation reports must be filed within option A 15 days, option B 20 days, option C 30 days, option D 60 days. Right option is option C 30 days. Question number 14. Statement: who may file a representation against the delimitation of constituency? Option A any political party only, option B any voter of that constituency, option C only returning officer, option D Chief Justice. Right option is option B any voter of that constituency. Question number 15. Statement: after hearing representations, the Commission must publish the final list of constituencies within option A 15 days, B 30 days, C 45 days, option D 60 days. Right option is option B 30 days. Question number 16. Final delimitation reports are published in option A official gazette and Commission's website, option B provincial assembly records, option C election tribunal reports, option D Supreme Court website only. Right option is option A official gazette and Commission's website. Question number 17. Statement: the Commission can make amendments in final constituencies list at least option A 1 month before notification of election program, option B 2 months before notification of election program, option C 4 months before notification of election program, option D 6 months before notification of election program. Right option is option C 4 months before notification of election program. Question number 18. Statement: before finalizing amendments in constituencies, the Commission must option A get approval from Parliament, option B invite and hear representations, option C seek consent of Chief Justice, option D ask federal government only. Right option is option B invite and hear representations. Question number 19. The justification for amendments in delimitation must be option A kept confidential, option B recorded and published with proposed changes, option C sent only to returning officers, option D decided by political parties. Right option is option B recorded and published with proposed changes. Question number 20. Statement: the legal foundation for delimitation of constituencies is found in option A the Constitution, Election Act, rules and local government laws, option B only Constitution, option C only Election Act, option D federal government circulars. Right option is option A the Constitution, Elections Act, rules and local government laws. आज का सेशन यहाँ पे कंक्लूड करते हैं और आपको बताते चलें कि हार्वर्ड एकेडमी इलेक्शन कमिश्नर यानी कि असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर जिसको हम एब्रीविएशन के तौर पे AEC जो कि इसकी नई एब्रीविएशन है, पहले ईओ था इलेक्शन ऑफिसर, अब है असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर। और इसके कंप्लीट कोर्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए आप हार्वर्ड अकेडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म को विजिट कर सकते हैं और अपने आप को ऑनलाइन एनरोल कर सकते हैं और मुकम्मल घर बैठे तैयारी कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। खुदा